Hey y'all, welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a full set of acrylic nails at home. So first thing I'm starting off with is I am taking these square nail tips. I got these from Zule's Nails, and then I cleansed my nail and I dehydrated it with some acetone, and then I went in with a primer. You can use any product that you would like to here. And yeah, so now I'm going in with all of my acrylic powders and glitters, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do an acrylic nail tutorial with lots of glitters in it, how to encapsulate glitters, as well as how to do a French nail design. So here I'm going in with this color. I believe this is Bad and Bougie from Valentino, and I'm just building up the French nail bed of my nail, and then I'm going to fill in around it with glitter. Now if this is not perfect, don't worry. That's why you can go in with the hand file afterwards and perfect up that shape. I am using a size 20 flex brush from TDI Nail Designs. I highly recommend their brushes. Yeah, they're really good. So if you guys are looking for a new brush, I highly recommend this one. And yeah, so I'm going in and just making sure that the apex is in the back 1/3 of my nail. And then I'm going to move on to the next nails. Some of these colors are from Double Dip, I believe. This is a nude shimmery color, and I'm just going to go over this all over the nail, and then I'm going to go in and add some glitters on top of this and encapsulate the whole thing. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I am using my Kupa odorless monomer as always, and I do add a mix of 50% that, 50% acetone to help it set up faster. And it does have a sticky inhibition layer once it dries, so you want to make sure you remove that with some acetone, not acetone, rubbing alcohol, and then you can go in and file, and it will file off the inhibition layer kind of like in one piece. It will not be so powdery, it'll be like thicker shards coming off your nail, and that is just the inhibition layer, and when that comes off you can just file as normal. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this glitter acrylic nail tutorial. Really easy, something fun. Yeah, so I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like this video down below, and I wanted to ask your guys' thoughts. So I recently found this girl on YouTube. She's called Colette, and she does not use primer on her nails, but she says that it still lasts really well. She also does not file the natural nail at all. So I am going to try that and see if it works. She does dehydrate and everything, but she does not file or use primer on the nail. Now she uses gel, so I am interested to see how that works with acrylic. I am looking into getting some builder gel. The only one that I know that is HEMA-free is IBD. If you guys know of any other HEMA-free builder gels, please let me know in the comments down below. It's really hard to find one that is HEMA-free. So if you guys know of any, please let me know down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this glittery nail design as much as I did, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!